Hello, I'm Philip Witt, author of this video tutorial, Photo Editing Basics with Adobe Photoshop Elements. I've been working with images since the late 1990s. I've been a Photoshop professional since 2000. I've retouched, restored, and edited countless images over the years. I have an expert rating certification in Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud, and I'm the author of several books related to image editing using GIMP and one using Pixlr Editor. Some of my specialties are restoring damaged photos, digitally removing scratches, tears, stains, and other forms of damage, digitally removing unwanted objects, and colorizing black and white images. I'm more active as an author these days. I'm also an illustrator and graphics designer on occasion. If you work with old types of images, such as slides, old family photos, and home movies, you may be interested in my previous video tutorial, Digitizing and Enhancing Vintage Media. It's available through the Apress subscription program. And now let's see what you'll learn in this course. The first thing will be a quick overview of Photoshop Elements, how to adjust lighting and exposure, adjust and correct color, repair damage, remove unwanted objects, replace backgrounds, retouch people, create artistic effects using filters, use the drawing tools, and use the text tool. And then we'll follow up with a quick summary of everything you've learned. Now let's move on to the first segment.